Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and super useful tutorial. How to remove the arrow from icons in 2025. If you're tired of those pesky shortcut arrows cluttering your desktop, you're in the right place. This is especially relevant for the latest Windows updates, making your icons look cleaner and more professional. Let's jump right in. First things first, why do these arrows even exist? They're just indicators for shortcuts, but they can make your setup feel messy. The good news is, removing them is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Before we start, a quick heads up. We'll be editing the Windows registry, so always back up your data to avoid any potential issues. It's like wearing a seatbelt, better safe than sorry. Step 1. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter to launch the registry editor. Navigate to this path. Key_local_machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, shell icons. If you don't see the shell icons key, you might need to create it. Right-click and select New Key. Next, in the shell icons folder, create a new string value. Name it 29 and set its value to the path of a blank icon file. You can download a blank icon online or create one using an icon editor. Save your changes and exit the registry editor. Now, to apply the changes, restart Windows Explorer. You can do this by opening Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ESC, finding Windows Explorer under the Processes tab, right-clicking it, and selecting Restart. Voila! Your desktop icons should now be arrow-free. If you're using a different OS or run into any hiccups, check the comments for tips or alternatives like third-party software. This method works great for 2025's Windows versions, keeping your desktop sleek and customized. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.